Meaning of HICP.
Hic.
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 HIC. HICP stands for Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices. It is a measure of inflation that takes into account the price changes of goods and services that are commonly purchased by households across European Union member states. The HICP is calculated using a weighted average of prices for a basket of consumer goods and services, including food, housing, transport, clothing, and other items. It is often used by policymakers to monitor inflation and set monetary policy. A higher HICP indicates higher inflation, while a lower HICP suggests lower inflation or even deflation.